All right. Hello, and welcome to our session here on Secret Server. And what we're going to do here is take a look at MFA on a secret. So in order to access this particular secret, we're going to have to do our MFA challenge, and we're going to get right to it. So let's take a look. It's going to come in here, our secret. We're going to access it. And then what we're going to do here is next up is we're going to access the particular credential. So we'll pick this one, and then we're presented with a challenge. So we're presented with a challenge here, and then I'm going to use my FIDO key. So I'm going to click next here, and then I'm going to click the option there, and then I'm going to confirm it with my FIDO key, and we are into the secret. So that's how that works. Pretty quick and easy, but we can also know that we have the ability to put MFA in front of a secret. Obviously, we can do MFA at login level. Secret Server just gives you two abilities to put security in front of the environment and then subsequently the secret. So that is how we do that and set that up. And these particular settings are within the security option within Secret Server here. So we can see that we have require MFA, multi-factor authentication. We have that indicated as yes. So that is what we're doing here within Secret Server to protect this particular credential. Thank you for watching.